So I just watched Legend a Dragon Ball Tale by Studio Stray Dog online. If you haven't watched it, watch it. If you like Dragon Ball, it's epic. Um, it's very well done. They reimagined the whole thing. So I'm going to draw Goku, Son Goku, Savior from Heaven, right? Uh, Epic transformation. Like, it's really good. It always amazes me when people can take something that's like so ingrained, like so everyone knows what Super Saiyan is, and then like just totally flip it and do it completely different. It's epic. So well done. So creative. Brilliant. So I'm going to try and draw Goku. I'm on a landscape page. Pencil eraser, hit pause if I go too fast, right? So he's looking over his shoulder in this one, right? So I think I'll draw the shoulder first. You got this big curved line, right? And then a big bicep line. So center point of my page about here. Did I say use a pencil? Pencil, sketch lightly, and then use ink if you want. This is the center point. So the shoulder is like down here, and it's real big. So we'll go. Normally start with faces, but because his face is behind the shoulder here, I'm going to start with that. And then the other side of the shoulder, real big, muscly shoulder going this way, right? And then his tricep sticks out, and the bicep sticks out here. There's like some hatching here as well. Right? So his face comes out from here, right? So we've got, say, like his neckline or trapezius line, sort of that way. And then the other side of his face, like the side of his jaw, just here. So his mouth is in here, right? So we can just see kind of teeth, but I'll draw in a mouth. So it curves around that way. Up. And then we'll go down across the top of those teeth. So there. He's growling, and then a big fang comes down this way. Okay. Then the teeth kind of come across here. And we got another big fang here. And then another tooth in here. You can kind of see some gums and things. So like some gums here just at the top of his teeth. Kind of like that, right? And it's all black in here. It's really cool. Down here we have another fang. So like another fang sticking up. And then some more teeth here. Just kind of come across his shoulder, and another fang here and another tooth there. And then the side of his mouth is like here. And we can see like his tongue going back this way, and then like some teeth at the back here, in the back of his mouth. And so like the inside of his mouth is like on fire basically. He like breathes Saiyan energy or something like that. So it's like, that's like the hole at the back of his throat, but it's golden, so you don't color it black. So two big crazy eyes, right? So ovals kind of just going around here, and it's all black around it. I mean, it's kind of sketched in real rough. Shining golden eyes, right? Another one here. Right, and this one's thinner and smaller than this one because his head is turned. Okay, so this one's like smaller. He's got like a hairy V or like energy in the middle. There. And then this keeps, it's like fire on top of his head. So you can do this any way, like comes in around his head like that. And he's got these sideburns, right, that come onto his head as well. So this one's like flowing off this way. I don't think that joins his head, does it? And they're kind of separate, right? So he's got this sideburn that's separate to that. You can see like some black for the side of his head there. And I think this sideburn is separate as well. So he's got like a piece of fire. It's golden, but I'll draw it in. Like so. So in the rest of his hair, just flowing off that way, right? Like so. So in the back of his neck, just comes out here. And then his back will bump kind of down this way. And we got like a muscly sort of back, right? So curving lines there, and then it's back like so. And we can see a little bit of his other shoulder on the other side. And his tricep sticks out here and down. I'm going to add a tail. It's not in the picture, but I think we need to see his tail, right? But we're just drawing that anatomy first. So he has these black, I think it's fur, or it could be tattoo, or this sort of corruption thing that comes from his chest. I'm not sure. Again, if you haven't watched it, watch it. You'll get what I mean. So, right. We're going to add these spikes, these kind of tiger stripes on his shoulder that curve over like this. Right. There's another one up here. And this will eventually become like another spike that's here. And then this one goes like down the middle of his back or something. Like around this way. Up to here. And there's like another one here. So that goes down the center, right? So that's like, this is like his spine. So his spine will be like going up here. And then he should have another shoulder blade sort of line there. Like maybe some hatching just there. So there's all energy and fire and stuff, but I want to add his tail first. So it can be a tail that's on fire, but I'm going to make it furry, right? It is golden, but I'll give it like some fur, right? Right, so just like going around like this. Adding a little fur spike every now and then. Right, and you can erase that line, of course, and if you want texture and stuff, you can. But it's glowing golden anyway. So then there's like all this fire stuff, right? So there's like these little, it's kind of like lava or energy just around, right? His back and everywhere around the back of his tail and all this kind of stuff. Just here. Sparks and stuff all in the air. It's really epic. Now his face is all colored black and all these things are black, and then that's like glowing golden white and all that kind of stuff. But that's it. That is how to draw Son Goku, Savior from Heaven, from Legend, a Dragon Ball tale. Hope it was helpful. If you haven't watched it, go watch it because it's pretty slick. The animation it reminds me of Megalobox. So it's pretty similar sort of animation stuff, which is pretty good animation. So thanks for watching. Hope it was helpful. See you in the next one.